Back. So today I'm going to show you how to check your wallet private key on OKX. Now let's get started. Now we're going to open our OKX. What we need to do is come here to this here, and we need to do the next thing is click on your backups. Once you click on your backups, click on the wallets. Once you click on the wallet, you're gonna see the wallet account under it. You can see it. Click on account under it. You're gonna see private key. Click on private key. You can say you wait for 3 seconds. Click on I understand. Wait for another 3 seconds. Then you click on I understand, and you can see click on backup private key. You can see once you click on backup, it can ask you to use your fingerprint to do it. Just you put your fingerprint. Once you put your fingerprint to it, you're gonna be able to see all your private key very easily. So guys, if this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.